Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And what do we see? We always start with the S&P 500, the dollar, and the Nasdaq Top 100. The Nasdaq Top 100 is looking good over here, and also is the S&P 500. The dollar is doing, well, what would it be? A bullish retest, or they're breaking it? Not sure. Over here we know what is happening. We want to see dollar weakness. That means Bitcoin is going up. So let's zoom in a little bit. We have this trend line acting as resistance, this one as support, and we want to break this support. Let's zoom in a little bit, and we can see they tapped this resistance over here, made a higher high and possibly now a higher low. So we're not out of the danger zone. We aren't, well. So this is what I think will be it, a tap on this resistance over here, very much possible. Let's look at it on the 3 hour, very clear. This is resistance and this is support. We want to go through these supports. We want it to go down. The dollar, the S&P 500 looking quite good over here. We're on the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 4 hour. And they're coming back up. Was a bullish retest on this level. You can see it with your bare eyes. Taking a look at the funding and premium index on Bitcoin, very high premiums, very high fundings. So, I mean, eventually we will break this trend line to the upside. We will go up, but right now I don't think it is the moment yet. Just because premiums are way too high over here. We need something like this, flattish, to go high, to go up. We are definitely consolidating on Bitcoin. However, wrong chart. We can make it a bit more tighter over here. Something like this. Oh. Fucked up. One of the settings is only grabbing tops and bottoms now. Something like this is what we are seeing. So we're making higher highs, but this is a trend line we will go meet. And that is a dangerous trend line. It looks a little bit toppy here, seems we're going down, and then we have horizontal trend lines to go test. This is a level, I would say, over here, exact this top. We can see it in the VPVR as well. We can see some supports and resistances, and there we can see this is a very important level right now. Higher highs and lower time frames. Also, this high is very important. So we're basically between these lines. Looking bullish, very bullish. Only thing holding me back from longing hard is the funding rates, meaning there are high premiums, a lot of people are long, meaning there's a lot of liquidity to the downside. Meaning, well, again, if we get a downside action now, it can go very hard. A lot of people can get liquidated or stopped out of their long position. And that's why, it can cascade all the way down. Of course, we're still in a bull market, so we will find support somewhere. But right now, I wouldn't long it hard. I'm still but I'm still long very much on Ethereum. This is what we're breaking, I always chart that stuff on Twitter as well. Over here you could see, this was just after I posted the last video yesterday. Then we were over here, I was very long and scared, I was like, well, it's almost too easy. And it was. And this morning, I woke up and we were, new all-time highs. Mayan was responding there as well. A very notorious bear. He always shorts, or lately. Anyway, back to Ethereum. A lot of longs as well on Ethereum. Could come back for a retest over here or onto these tops just to shake out some late longers. And it's looking very good. Also, Ethereum BTC, we don't have to draw any lines over here. Looking omega strong. I also tweeted about that one. Was over here. This was 17 hours ago, and yeah, I was just drawing a big line. But yeah, it happened, you know, like we made a big bump over here, over a 10% move. So yeah, very happy about that. And now something exciting. AAVE. AAVE is doing a retest over here. Is AAVE looking bad? Should you long this retest over here? Well, you can. I think. We have this stop over here. Let me... Anyway, we see a trend line over here as well on these stops. Need to zoom in a little bit to get it. You can see it clearly on these stops, I would say. And yeah, that seems like a retest of this trend line over here. So yeah, looks still good. AAVE BTC as well, doing a retest over here. Let's go to the daily. Very bullish chart, made a higher high over here. Great breakthrough, doing a retest over here, and then I expect them to go to the all-time highs. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to use one of these following sign-up links. They're in the video description as well. They save you money on trading fees, and you help my trading account because it's a ref link. So yeah, you help my YouTube as well. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you guys want to see in the videos. And as we can see over here, you know, like we're really much consolidating. Just getting tighter and tighter. So big breakout will come. I think I think we will see some downside first, just to make sure all the late longers are out. I mean, yeah, we're grinding to the upside, very bullish, but yeah, fundings are just very high. So that means, yeah, liquidity is definitely to the downside at the moment. I mean, would you short in a bull market? No, I wouldn't. Wicks can, like if a wick comes, you know, it will be very quick, just like this one over here. This was just, yeah, a matter of minutes, sorry. This was just a matter of minutes, very quickly. So yeah, be careful with shorting, and if you are shorting, make sure you have your take profits in place. And yeah, that is about it for today. Like I said, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.